Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox one of my favorite Christmas presents ever. Guess what I got for Christmas this year? I will be sharing everything that I got for Christmas, but this one takes the cake. I got the Dyson Airwrap Complete for Christmas. I'm so excited. You guys know, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, if you haven't, then follow me. There's the handle right there. I am obsessed with the Revlon hairdryer. I did a review on it forever ago, but this does it all. This does like the work of like 5 different products. So I thought I would unbox it with you guys. And you're gonna get to see me use it for the first time. And I'm gonna tell you what I honestly think about it. First of all, there it is in its little sleek package. And there it is right there, open. It's all nice and velvety in here. You got the little board in here and a little like pop out instruction manual, but it basically just tells you like how to use the wand little portion of it. And here it is in here. So it comes with the blow dryer attachment. It comes with the curling wand attachments, and you need 2 because one goes left and the other one goes right, and they come in 2 different sizes. Then you've got the bristle brush. One is a firm bristle brush, and then one's a soft bristle brush. I'm gonna take a guess, and I don't know which is which, but I'll be able to read up on it. And then this one is the one that kind of works like the Revlon blow dryer. And then this piece right here is the actual like piece that you attach all those other things to. I'm gonna tell you guys what each attachment is for. So this is the pre-styler. So you're gonna actually take this. I already have all my products in my hair. I will show you guys the products that I used. I use this to shampoo my hair with. It gets rid of all my brass in my hair. I use this deep conditioning treatment. Then I also went ahead and applied the smooth infusion from Aveda. I do that on the roots of my head because, as you can see, my hair is pretty curly. It just helps progressively loosen the curl. I've been using this for probably about like 7-ish, if not more, years, and I love this stuff. Then I use Olaplex. This is number 6. I only have a little bit left, so that's why I have it sitting this way. And I use that from mid shaft to ends. And then I use the Color Wow Dream Coat. I cannot say enough good things about this. I think this is the first time I'm talking about it on my YouTube, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love this stuff. It's amazing. Literally, it's a heat protectant. It's anti-humidity for your hair. It lasts up to 3 days with the results. Amazing, just amazing. They're all going to be linked in my Amazon storefront. I'll leave that below. And then last but not least, I take number 7 and just on the very ends of my hair. I haven't applied it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and run that through really quick. And you only really want to do like 3 taps. So I know a lot of people are always like, oh, you know, the products are so small when it comes to Olaplex and stuff. But honestly, they're small because you don't need a lot. So as I was saying, this is the blow dryer attachment. You're supposed to use that to style your hair. So take it from wet to drier, get it about 50 to 60% there, and then you use the other attachments. The next attachments are going to be the curling wands. Like I said, one goes this way and then the other goes this way. That's what the arrows are for, and so you know what directions the arrows are working. These are the smaller ones. Then same thing with the larger ones. These are actually really light. Like all of these little attachments, this one's a little bit heavier. These like are super light. I guess I expected them to be really heavy. And we have this is the firm smoothing brush. This is the one that I'm supposed to use on a hair texture like mine. So this is the one I'm going to probably use today. And then this is the soft one, and then this is for smooth style, and this one's for smoother style. So the one with the pink bristles is the one for like if you have like wave to straight hair, and this one's for my curly girl hairs. And then the very last one is the attachment that looks kind of like what we've got in the Revlon. It is obviously smaller though, and then this is supposed to be for volume and shape. So I think once you get your hair, I guess, straight, then you're supposed to do this. So the idea to get the blowout that I want, like my salon quality blowout, which is what the look I go for, is you want to do this, get my hair as dry as I can, and then do this, or well, do this, and then do this one last. And then here is the piece that is the main piece here. So this is the filter, and so I'm guessing, you know, like any other, oh, it's magnetic. Like any other filter, you would need to clean that out eventually. And then here is the cord. I want to see how long the cord is. So it seems to have like this little battery thing, like attaching the cord to this. It is a 2-prong, and then it has the reset and set like any other traditional dryer. And the cord is relatively, I mean, it's longer than I expected it to be honest. All right. And it has a lock and unlock right here, which I'm sure is for the thing. And then it has like the on button. Ooh. Ooh, cool. Okay, it kind of vibrated a little bit. Kind of vibrated a little bit. Okay, so this is the fan speed right here. So high, and then this is the heat. It's got high, low, and cold. Or, well, I think it's got like a medium and a high and then a cold shot. I'm going to do it on high volume, high heat. That's just the way I always do my hair. So I'm going to start off with the attachment. I think it comes out of this side, the pink side. No, other side. Oh, and it gets really hot. I thought... So I actually, a long time ago, when I was looking for an old hairdryer, the hairdryer that I previously used, let me show it to you, is the Buttercup from Drybar. This hairdryer is amazing. I've had it for years. It is a little bit pricey, but it is not obviously as pricey as this. This thing served me so well before I got the Revlon styler. I still use it. Amazing, and you can change out the filters back here. This hairbrush is dope, and it comes with all the possible necessary attachments. I did try the GHD one. I did try the T3 one. The T3 one didn't get hot enough for me, and so I knew that was going to take me longer to do my hair, and I'm just not somebody who has a ton of patience or time to be spending doing that. The GHD one was good. I just did not, I felt like it wasn't like it didn't blow me away, and like that one's really good. Obviously, that's the one that they use at Drybar where you get your hair done, you know, you get professional blowouts, so you know, I just went with that one and decided to use that one. But here we go. It's gonna be my first time trying the Dyson. My hair, as it is drying quite a bit. Is it hot? Yes. Is it like ridiculously like steaming hot? No. Like, if you get really close, then yeah, it'll be like super hot. But like blowing it from here, I can still touch my hair without like being concerned about burning myself. Like, this is a rough dry. I usually do not rough dry my hair. I always style dry my hair, which means that I don't do all of this business. I like round brush it out. So I think that's as dry. I think that's as dry as I care to get. All right, so I added the new attachment, and I'm gonna clip my hair up and do it as I normally would. Impressed. I am really impressed. Like, for the amount of force and the amount of heat it's using, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. right, so all done with that attachment. Honestly, if you didn't know any better, you'd be like, yeah, you're done. But curly hair girl problems, my roots are pretty still like curly, and I know that if I leave my hair like this, I'm gonna need to go back. Just gonna go in quick sections. And because I know somebody is going to ask the question, why didn't I just go in with this brush to begin with? I wanted to try and see how good this one was, so. There we go. I just have to fix. There we go. Check that out. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, my hair not only looks so good, it also feels so good. The things that I was concerned about with the Dyson was that I thought it wasn't gonna get hot enough for me. Hair needs heat to straighten, and it definitely gets hot enough. It definitely has enough blowing power for me. I knew that that wasn't going to be a problem because obviously Dyson makes vacuums, as my friend's boyfriend very poignantly pointed out when I told him what I got for Christmas as a Dyson. He thought I meant a vacuum. I am just so impressed overall with the quality and the finish. Would I say that this is better than the Revlon? Is this better than the Revlon for your overall hair care? Yes, because it doesn't get as hot. 2, this bristle brush would not get caught in my hair. And you guys saw me, and I was really trying to like rotate it in there and see if it would get caught, because I know a lot of people's issue with the Dyson is that they're finding themselves to have these little flyaway frizzies here. And they're not really flyaways, and they're not baby hairs. They're actually breakage. This is what happens when you heat style your hair and it breaks at the ends. Sometimes it's overexertion of your hair, or sometimes it's the actual, component itself. These would not get stuck in my hair long, because I was like, every brush like this gets stuck in your hair. This one will not get stuck in my hair. So overall, in the long run, this is going to be better for your hair because it uses more air than heat to get your hair styled fast. Like, look at this. I didn't clean this out or anything like this. Literally, there's no hair stuck in there. Here is my Revlon. I used this a couple days ago, and look at my hair. It's stuck in there, and I know that's gross, sorry. And I do clean that brush out, but like sometimes it does, like I see the amount of hair that I'm pulling out and I'm like, wow, no hair in here. Literally no hair in here anywhere. And using this brush, no hair in here anywhere either. So in the long run, is this going to be better for your hair? Yes. If you have the money, if you have a present coming up, if you want to tell your family members, like, look, if you all want to contribute $50 each to my present, this is what I want. If you're someone like me, who I do not only my hair a couple times a week, but I also do my mom's hair. If you're somebody that does your hair a lot, if you're somebody that heat styles a lot, I would definitely invest in this. 1000%. I'm going to recommend this to everyone I've ever known. But if you don't have the money, or if you are somebody who does not heat style a lot, then no. The reason for me saying that is because this does have a learning curve. It took me a little bit to like kind of figure out how to maneuver it, because it's kind of big and it feels like a wand, and you have to get used to it. And there's people that just want something fast, like they just want to do the brush. And if you're just looking to just air dry your hair, then get a nice blow dryer. If you do not heat style your hair a lot, then this is a very big investment for it to be just sitting on your counter. But I will say this, if you're somebody who cannot like finagle the whole like brush, round brush, and like, you know, the tension and all that, this is an amazing attachment because this got my hair super, super straight. My hair is, you guys saw how curly it is at the beginning. This got my hair super, super straight, and all I basically had to do was brush my hair. Which, even with the Revlon, I see that's like a big complaint. A lot of people that say that it doesn't work, they don't use tension because they expect that the brush is just going to do it. But it doesn't. With the Revlon, you need to have that tension and that roll. And this gave me that without having any tension, any roll, no, nothing. This was just like brushing my hair. I think it's worth it in the fact that you're getting like 5 products in one. You're getting a blow dryer, you're getting a hot comb, you're getting curlers, you're getting a blow dry brush. Yes, 100%. I'm sold. It really is. It is just that good. I wish I kind of was half hoping to come on here and be like, you know, people are overhyping it and it's not that good, but it is. I'm gonna date myself here, but I used to straighten my mom's hair with a iron, a clothing iron on the bed. She'd lay her hair down and I would straighten her hair since I was very, very young. So I've used all kinds of tools. I've tried it all. I've had a hot comb, an actual hot comb, like a hot press to my hair. I have tried it all, and this is it, man. So I do normally get keratin treatments about 2 to 3 times a year. I don't even have my keratin treatment. Like it's pretty much grown out. And I can't even imagine how amazing this is going to be when I have my keratin treatment. It's going to take like 20 minutes to do my whole head, and I'm just going to be like, yeah, so it's amazing. It's amazing. Buy it at Ulta because, you know, you get the points. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.